Ready? Look it! It's a YouTube LED light. I'm so excited. It's official. Very cool. So I guess that goes in here. Maybe it's already charged. Huh. Do you have the plug? Oh, there it is. It needs to be charged.
Needs a power supply.
It's like a rubber. Rubber there. Rubber there. Plastic there. Okay, I gotta charge it. Is that your YouTube?
I'm not too sure about that.
Here, look.
What is it?
What's that?
I smell it. It smells like something new in a box.
Is it something from YouTube?
That is YouTube.
YouTube?
What's inside?
Let's
open it. Yeah, let's open it.
Wanna see what it is?
Yeah, I wanna see.
Look.
Oh, this box is in the way. Okay, let me see. You gotta take it out of the bag, Mama. Okay, let's see. Oh, dog, that's red.
It's alright.
It's a little triangle. It's
YouTube light.
Well, there was no power supply for this, so I had to install batteries, or I could plug it in and have it be on. So I opted for batteries. But the plug did come in handy. The spring is flat.
No.
It's backwards. There, that's right.
Ready?
It turns out you can't have the plug in if you're using the batteries. I figured it out.
You ready? Ooh. I mean, it's not huge. Nice little night light. It doesn't show you, but yeah, see, it looks like that to me. Isn't that weird?